The 2026 Volvo EX60 is Volvo's all-new mid-size all-electric SUV built from the ground up to offer long range, advanced technology, and Scandinavian luxury in a practical family package. It sits between the smaller EX40 and larger EX90 in Volvo's lineup and is built on the brand's new SPA3 electric platform, which uses innovations like megacasting and cell-to-body battery construction to cut weight and improve efficiency. The EX60 comes in multiple powertrain versions such as the P6 rear-wheel drive, P10 AWD, and high-end P12 AWD, with estimated WLTP range figures from around 385, 503 miles, 600 and 2,810 kilometers, depending on battery size and variant, making it one of the longest range electric SUVs available. Charging is fast thanks to an 800-volt architecture that can add hundreds of kilometers of range in around 10-20 minutes on a high-powered DC charger. Performance ranges from brisk acceleration in base models to sporty outputs with up to 680 plus HP in top trims, and all versions include modern safety and convenience tech, a minimalist yet high-quality cabin with a large infotainment display, advanced driver assist systems, and seamless digital connectivity, including integrated Google AI features. Practical elements like spacious cargo space, thoughtful storage, and family-friendly ergonomics add to its everyday usability. Pricing for the EX60 is expected to start in the mid-premium segment, with well-equipped versions around $55,000, $75,000 USD in the United States, roughly 56 pounds,